Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cubot Max 3 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and here we have to scroll down to find the security. Let's enter. Now in the device security section on the second position we've got the fingerprint, so let's tap on it, and here your device is asking you to choose a backup screen lock method. Of course, if you've got one currently set, so the pattern, pin or password, then you will be transferred to another step. If not, you really have to do it right now. You won't be able to add the fingerprint without it. It is because that if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device using different lock method. So it also means that you will not have to go through the whole hard reset operation, which will wipe out all of the data. So that's quite important. And I will pick the pattern, so just tap on the option like you'd like to use. Let me draw it, tap on next, redraw it and confirm. Right here we have to decide what kind of content will be shown on the lock screen. So you can show all the notification content, sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. It's of course up to you. I will stick with the second option, so just mark the one you'd like to use. After tapping on done, we will be transferred to the section, to the step, which will kind of explain us what actually the fingerprint is. So you will be able to use this fingerprint to, of course, unlock your phone, but also authorize the purchases or sign into apps. So just tap on next. And here we've got the instructions. So we have to touch the sensor, which is located right here on the side of your device. So let me turn the screen and let me put my finger on the sensor. Of course, use the finger thanks to which it will be the easiest for you to unlock the screen. So right now I have to do it multiple times, so simply touch the sensor in order to add my fingerprint fully and try to catch every corner for better recognition. Alright, as you can see, we finally added the fingerprint to this device. So of course, if you want to, you can add another. If not, tap on done. We've been also transferred directly to the fingerprint section. So this is the fingerprint we just added. We can remove it just by tapping on the trash bin icon, or we can rename it. So just tap on it and let me rename it, because why not? And tap on OK. So right now we can lock our device and check if it is working. So let me lock it and let me put my finger on the sensor. And as you can see, the device is immediately unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. So actually that's all. This is how to add the fingerprint in your Cubot Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.